Welcome to the netwykDQM training videos. This video will explain function M1-008. Let's see how that function works. At first, let's have a look at the demo data. In the demo data, we see values like LO50, LO25, LO15. With M1-008, you can replace all these characters, a list of characters, with one replacement value. Let's have a look how that works. Create the function first. We want to work with demo short text. The list I have prepared in another window. Let's copy it from here. Let's copy in the list, and the replacement value for demo purpose should be xx underline demo underline xx. Let's name the result, and let's have a look at the result. The function goes into demo short text and searches for all values of the replacement list. If there is the element is found, it is replaced by the one replacement value. If it is not found, nothing is replaced. That is how the function works. Thank you for watching.